Gardening hacks that actually work. Tired of gardening struggles? Discover simple, effective hacks to transform your garden and boost your yields. Gardening can be incredibly rewarding, but it also comes with its fair share of challenges. From pest control to soil improvement, there's always something to learn. That's where gardening hacks come in. These clever tips and tricks can save you time, money, and effort, while also improving your gardening success. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden. Here are some easy hacks to improve your soil quality. Coffee grounds are a fantastic soil amendment. They add nitrogen and improve drainage, creating a perfect environment for many plants. Eggshells are another great addition. Crush them and mix them into the soil to provide calcium, which is essential for strong plant growth. Pests can quickly ruin your hard work. Try these natural pest control methods to protect your plants. Diatomaceous earth is a safe and effective way to kill many common garden pests. Sprinkle it around your plants to create a barrier. Companion planting can also deter pests. Marigolds, for example, repel nematodes and other harmful insects. Proper watering is crucial for plant health. These hacks will help you water more efficiently. Bury a plastic bottle with holes near your plants. Fill it with water to provide deep, targeted watering directly to the roots. Mulching helps retain moisture in the soil. Use organic materials like straw or wood chips to reduce water evaporation. Starting seeds indoors can give you a head start on the growing season. Here are some simple seed starting hacks. Use egg cartons as biodegradable seed starting containers. They're eco-friendly and easy to transplant directly into the garden. Soak seeds in chamomile tea before planting. This can help prevent fungal diseases and improve germination rates. Weeds compete with your plants for nutrients and water. These hacks will help you keep them under control. Newspaper is an effective weed barrier. Lay down several layers of newspaper around your plants and cover with mulch. Boiling water can kill weeds instantly. Pour it directly onto the weeds, being careful not to harm your desired plants. Some plants need extra support to grow properly. These hacks will help you provide the necessary support. Use old pantyhose to tie plants to stakes. The soft material won't damage the stems. Create a simple trellis using bamboo stakes and twine. This is perfect for climbing plants like tomatoes and cucumbers. Harvesting at the right time is essential for getting the best flavor and yield. Here are some harvesting hacks. Use clean, sharp tools to harvest your crops. This will prevent damage to the plants and reduce the risk of disease. Harvest herbs in the morning after the dew has dried. This is when they have the highest concentration of essential oils. Keeping your gardening tools clean and organized will extend their lifespan and make gardening more enjoyable. Clean your tools after each use with soap and water. This will prevent the spread of disease and keep them in good condition. Store your tools in a dry place to prevent rust. Hang them on a wall or store them in a tool shed. Ready to revolutionize your gardening experience? These simple yet effective hacks can transform your garden into a thriving oasis. Don't wait. Start implementing these tips today and watch your garden flourish. Subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Share this video with your fellow gardening enthusiasts and let us know in the comments which hack you're most excited to try. Happy gardening!